Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the world of high fashion wigs with a review of the Raquel Welch Model Mode Long Layered Curls wig in RL1388 Golden Pecan, brought to you by Hairuwear. Now this is not just any wig, it's a statement piece. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First things first, this wig features true-to-life heat-friendly synthetic hair, which is perfect if you love experimenting with different styles because you can flat iron, curl, or blow dry it to your heart's content. No more worrying about sticking to just one look. The fibers are designed to keep their natural luster even after heat styling, which is a big plus. The Model Mode wig comes in a mono top with hand-tied fibers for a lightweight, breathable feel, and that's something I really appreciate. If you've worn wigs before, you know comfort is key, and the soft lace temple-to-temple construction combined with velvet-lined ear tabs and an extended nape ensures a snug, secure fit that doesn't irritate the skin. All of that combined makes it wearable all day long. No itching, no discomfort. As for styling, this wig really gives you the option to get creative. The luscious barrel curls are directed away from the face, which not only frames your features beautifully, but also makes a bold fashion statement. This is definitely one of those wigs that makes you feel like you're walking down a runway every time you step outside. Now, let's talk about how it performs in real life. When I first tried it on, the average cap size felt just right for my head, with room to spare for adjustment, which is always a win. The length is fantastic too. It's long enough to make an impression, but not so long that it's unmanageable. At a weight of 7.23 ounces, it's not too heavy to cause discomfort, but there's a solid presence to it, meaning you know it's a quality piece. One of my favorite things about this wig is its versatility. It holds styles extremely well, so I've been able to experiment with different curls and textures depending on my mood. Whether I'm going for soft waves or adding a little more volume, it adjusts beautifully. I've worn it for everything from casual days out to special events, and it's definitely turned heads. In terms of maintenance, this wig is a breeze to care for. Since it's made with heat-friendly synthetic hair, you don't have to worry about spending hours at the salon to keep it looking fresh. A quick touch-up with a blow dryer or flat iron is all it takes. The true-to-life fibers are durable enough to withstand some heat styling without compromising the look or texture, which is fantastic for those who like to change things up. Pros: heat-friendly synthetic hair allows for styling flexibility. Curl it, straighten it, or blow it out as desired. Comfortable fit with a mono top, hand-tied fibers, and velvet-lined ear tabs. Stunning, voluminous barrel curls that add flair and frame the face beautifully. Lightweight at 7.23 ounces, so it's easy to wear all day long. Cons: longer length might require a bit more attention to detail when styling to prevent tangling. Some may find the volume a bit too dramatic for daily wear, depending on personal preference. Now let's talk about value for money. The Raquel Welch Model Mode wig is on the pricier side, but when you factor in the quality of the heat-friendly synthetic hair, the versatility, and the comfort it offers, I do think it's worth the investment if you're someone who values both style and durability. The hand-tied fibers and premium construction set it apart from lower-end alternatives, and you're paying for those high-quality features. If you're someone who might find this price a little steep, there are other wigs in a similar style and cut available at lower price points. However, you may have to compromise on either the material quality, the wig styling options, or the longevity of the fibers. Now, if you're wondering about the build quality and longevity, I've found this wig to hold up beautifully over time. It's easy to maintain, and it keeps its shape even after several wearings. The heat-friendly fibers ensure that you're not just getting a one-time use wig, but one that will last with proper care. If you've ever had to interact with customer service, you'd know that Raquel Welch has a stellar reputation for customer care, and they're always ready to assist if you have any questions or concerns about your purchase. But I've personally never had issues with the product, so no direct experiences there. If you've used a similar wig or are thinking of getting one, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. And let me know your experience with Raquel Welch wigs or any favorite styles you've tried. And if you're looking to grab this beauty for yourself, I've left the purchase link in the description below. If this review helped you make up your mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other beauty lovers like you can discover our honest reviews. Your support really helps keep the channel going. Thanks so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.